Hi, my name is Kristen and I work for Daily City Recreation, and today we're going to be making a super easy heart origami. So all you will be needing for this origami is a piece of large origami paper in any color you want. In this case, I will be using hot pink. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your origami paper and you want the color side face down, and you're going to fold it in half diagonally both ways. Done, what you're going to do is you're going to take one end of your origami paper and you're going to fold it to the middle so that you end up with something looking like this. So now that you did that fold, what you're going to do is you're going to take your other end and you're going to fold it all the way to the other side. So once you do that, it should look something like this. So now what you want to do is you want to take one of the sides, so I'm going to take the right side first, and you're going to fold it to the middle. Now after you finish with this side, you're going to do the same to the other side. And it should look something like this. So now that you have your semi-heart complete, all that's left to do is to fold all the corners in so that it's not so pointy. So now your heart origami is complete. I hope you enjoyed this craft. Make it for your loved ones, and I'll see you next time.